Hey guys, this video is going to be about an avatar and how you guys can be able to use it for your beauty business and to be able to grow your clientele. As always, y'all already know how I'm coming. I got the notes so that I can stay focused throughout the whole thing and try not to ramble as bad, because I really want you guys to learn things when I do share them. So anyway, what is an avatar? An avatar is what I like to call a cartoon character. Basically, this is a fictional person that represents your ideal client. This fictional person will list in detail what you want your ideal client to be. So I have listed some examples when I was thinking about who would I want my ideal client to be, what would I want her to look like, and here are some of the questions that I came up with. So I asked, how old are they? How much money do they make? Where do they shop or like to hang out? What are their interests? What are their concerns and how can I solve them? Do they like to travel? Are they single, married? Do they have children? Do they have pets? Are they corporate women who still like to have fun with their appearance, or are they shy and reserved and their appearance mimics that? Are they able to spend whatever on beauty services, or are they mostly looking for deals? So these questions are similar because they help you to understand your targeted audience. You need an avatar for your beauty business to help you reach your targeted audience. I know you want to service everyone, but the truth is you ain't for everybody. Also, using an avatar will help you to make engaging content to learn more about your targeted audience. You can create questionnaires to get more in-depth answers. This will help you to create a stronger avatar. Learning who your targeted audience is will help you to generate more money, because now you aren't just shooting in the dark, you're actually shooting at something. You can make more money by creating products and offering services you know that your ideal client would enjoy. Because remember, we are entrepreneurs, meaning that we are here to solve a problem, not create new ones. And honestly, who wants to create products or offer services that we're not even making any money from? Like, basically, we have all of these skills. We've wasted all of this money on learning these new skills, but our clientele is not even interested in that. That's like being a loctician and you doing extensions. You never gonna make no money off of these extensions if your clientele is not interested in having extensions. It just doesn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? Or that's even like a nail tech taking brow lamination classes. If their clientele is not interested in brow lamination, they are wasting their time learning that skill and buying those products. Remember, we don't want to be broke. We want to get some money up out of this. So we need to make sure that every move that we make, every investment that we make brings back money to us. When I say that your client avatar can be able to create more money for you, what I am saying is that when you are creating ads, or you are creating social media posts, or you might be doing a TikTok or a reel or whatever it is on these social media platforms these days, you want to make sure that you are using words that capture your ideal client. Meaning, if you are trying to create bougie chick who wear Louis Vuitton and go to Trader Joe's, your words need to reflect bougie chick who goes to Trader Joe's. You know what I'm saying? If you are trying to capture the women or the men who love quality services but at a discounted rate, you need to make sure that you are wording these things that capture quality services at a discounted, affordable rate. Because what ends up happening is we word things hoping that somebody pays attention to us, versus wording things knowing someone will pay attention to us. I watched a Facebook ads class that was free by Crystal Perkins, and she talked about that. She said that she knows her client so well, or her client avatar so well, that she can go anywhere and pick out people that she know would benefit from her services. This comes from doing deep research about the client that you want. I know it sounds a lot to do, but honestly, when you think about it, if you want to make more money, you have to make sure that you're targeting somebody. Like, when you go into the grocery store and it's all those breads And it's like those breads are purposefully packaged, colored, written in a certain font, and priced at a certain point to target a specific audience. That's how we have to think when we are creating beauty services, when we are offering products, when we are doing tutorials, anything. We always have to keep that in mind. Like, I'm only looking for one person. I'm not for everybody. I'm only looking for one person. Lastly, I wanted to close out this video by saying that I'm sharing with you guys what I am learning and what I am implementing in my own business. I actually do have a client avatar for my YouTube channel. I have a separate client avatar for my beauty business, and they don't cross. They don't cross at all. Now, I might service people who are interested in being a beauty entrepreneur, and I might have viewers who are interested in getting serviced by me. So they kind of cross, but really, ideally, my avatars are different. I hope I didn't confuse y'all. But if you have any more questions, please leave them below in the comments, because I love engaging with you guys. And again, it's you that makes you beautiful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.